After talking about testing for water, we'll talk about testing for ions. First, we have the flame tests. If we look at the next page, we can see that each ion gives a specific color when subjected to heat. So we'll see which color does each ion gives, and we'll see how we can perform this test. So let's start testing for ions. We'll do several tests to differentiate between different ions. The first test is the flame tests. A flame test is used to show the presence of certain metal ions in a compound. So in the first figure, right here, we have red shows lithium ions. We will get a platinum wire, clean it, and then put it in the concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then place it on a benzene flame. Then we take the wire and put it in the acid and then place it on the solid that we want to know. Then, finally, we place it on the benzene burner. A color will be produced. For example, red shows lithium ions. Similarly, we did the same procedure, but this time we got a yellow or orange color. Strong persistent orange shows sodium ions. Lilac pink shows potassium ions. When we get this color, then this solid is a potassium ion. And orange red, brick red, shows calcium ions. So as we said, we get a wire, we clean it well, put it in hydrochloric acid, then on the hot benzene burner. Afterwards, we put it in the acid and the solid we want and place it on the benzene burner. So from the color produced, we know which ion does the solid contain.